All right, WMC, this is the video to find the winner of the winner's choice with the Jonathan Taylor jersey, the Hank Aaron baseball. What else was in here? The Ryan Grant helmet and the Ryan Braun jersey. All right, so there is our setup there. All right, there we go. So we'll check the time, July 23rd at 4:59 p.m. We're going to go over to the Raz and type live. We have July 23rd at 4:59 p.m. There is the list of our 26 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 6. All right, 6 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is John. Spot 7 is your winner. So, John, please message me to make your selection. There is our verification code, our timestamp, once again, July 23rd, 5 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.